broke ass EDC, home of the working stiffs everyday carry. So I got another little one here that I picked up on the old Amazon Jungle website. Harnds. This is the time, and it was a surprise. Let y'all soak that up. We'll go over the basics here. Blade length 2.95 inches. Plain edge. Got that Scandinavian at 14C. Blade still on it with that satin finish. Overall length just under 8. 7.95, and that handle's like 4.80. It's a little bit heavy at 4.59 inches, and this one here is the transparent G10. Man, right out of the box, back spacer, deep carry pocket clip. Little unique on the hardware, but man, the action on this thing is sick. Blade was good and centered. The flipper tab pops it out there. The hole lets you get a crazy reverse flick on it. Thumb, so you can hit the hat trick with it. I mean, the fit and finish, a little bit rough on the side here, but it adds kind of a good texture. All 4 fingers on that handle, no problem. A little jimping and a rise there at the blade. You can get serious with it. And this thing, it was really sharp right out of the box. This one didn't get anything done to it yet. And I mean, it's a slicer. I got to say, for another Amazon budget, pretty nice. You can see the texturing in the handle. Steel liners. They got some speed haulage in there. The line lock, no problem. I mean, it locks up, no issue. No blade play. Up, down, back, side. Slides in and out of the pocket pretty good. Rides well. Little lanyard hole. And the hardware. I mean, it's a little different. Pops a little bit. But the main purpose for purchasing this knife was I was looking for something inexpensive with the dyeable G10 on it to customize. So really, right out of the box, was impressed with this blade and knife. I mean, it's not going to stand up like I want it to. Just not going to happen, folks. I got out the dyes and got a little crazy. And man, made this sky blue one that just popped. And then throw a little acid wash on the clip and blade. And said, whoa, I can't stop with that. I bought 3 of them. Bam, got this little sunset orange going. And decided it needed a little acid wash. So I tell you, it was definitely worth the time and effort. I mean, you snatch one of these and you pick out a color dye, and I mean, you just try to throw it out there. I mean, it's and then you just straight customize it and make it yours. This one's went through a couple different times, messing with the acid wash. I've tried like a working look and some others, but a little nail polish, a little bit of time, and patience with the old lady. Uh, yeah, man, she is not was not real happy at first with acid in the kitchen and eating a hole in her tank, in her sink possibly, or the fact of that dye can stain every damn thing. And I'll throw some pictures up, but definitely if you're even thinking about it, or you want to give it a shot, snatch one of these up. It's a good base. I think that was what I found it, because you don't want to work on something that's not going to be good to carry and fun to carry. And this has definitely got the fidget factor, and you can really play with it. I think I might try to do some heat treating on the frames and stuff. That's the next thing, kind of reading and looking at. But it's fun to customize and throw what you can out there. These are mods you can do in the kitchen. So no telling what's coming for this one. We'll see. And who knows what's going to happen with the two that's already modded. But the Harn time, I'm going to check out this brand a little bit more. They've got some other knives that are pretty interesting. And was really impressed with the build quality on them. It's good, solid budget carry. And as you can see, I mean, I'm really digging it sunset orange. And this is Kentucky Sky Blue. Thank you very much, Kentucky. Go Big Blue. Go Big Blue. Check out the Harn time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Drop a comment. Maybe we can dictate what happens to this next one. Y'all, stay sharp, stay safe.